Hi, good day. My name is Christian Davis Hope from 3rd year SAES. Today we'll be make our main course, Sizzling Kare-Kare with chicken lollipop with pesto sauce. And for the main ingredient, we need a pork, annatto seeds, and cashew nuts. And for the grilled chicken lollipop, we need chicken wings, basil, peppermint, and ketchup. And this is all the ingredient for the sizzling kare-kare. Pork, peanut, cashew nut, annatto seed, peanut butter, eggplant, petchay, and string beans. Now, let's start slice the onion and garlic. And next, slice the eggplant and petchay. Now, toast the peanuts. First, preheat the pan before put the peanut to prevent burn the peanut. And now, blanch the petchay and string beans. Wait to boil the water before put the petchay. And after 1 minute, get the petchay. Next, the string beans. Wait to boil the water before put the string beans. And wait for 2 minutes to get the string beans to the boiled water. And now, making a sweaty oil for the sauce. First, put the oil in the pan. Next, put the annatto seeds and stir fry the seeds to the oil. If the seeds get darker, the oil is done. And now, to make a kare-kare sauce. First, preheat the pan and put the sweaty oil. And after putting the sweaty oil, put the garlic and onion. And put the 3 tablespoons of peanut butter and put the rice flour to make thicker the sauce. And now, pan fry the eggplant. And now, deep frying the pork. And now, preheating the sizzling plate. after preheating the sizzling plate, put the sauce first in the plate. And next, the pork, string beans, pechay, eggplant, and put some crush of peanuts to the top. And get the bagoong, the combination of the sizzling kare-kare. And done. And for the pesto sauce, first put to the blender the peanut, garlic, basil, oil, and parmesan cheese, and blend to make a pesto sauce. Slice the wings like this and to make looks like a lollipop. And now, put to the mixing bowl the chicken and put some salt and pepper and squeeze the lemon and mix well. And now, let's start cooking the chicken. After preheating the grill, put all the chicken and wait if the chicken is done.